This is like introducing you to this channel because I've never introduced you on this channel.
Oh wow. No way.
You haven't been.
Never?
No. When have you been on my channel?
How long have we been married?
Almost 20 years.
And I've never been on your channel?
Hey friends, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys.
This is my husband.
I'm not as awkward as it sounds.
This is my husband, Aaron. And yeah, we're in our kids' playroom because they literally just left a disaster down here. Now, I left you down here earlier. He was down here earlier with them, and he kind of took the plunge and started cleaning up the outside area. It's the rec room of the basement. Yeah, kids go wild down here. It's the rec room of the basement, but they actually think it's their playroom. They claimed it.
You did the whole basement.
They said the whole basement is their playroom. So anyways, he started cleaning up a bit out there. I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour and show you out there. I can't show you the before because you just couldn't have seen it. I didn't film it. Yeah. But I'll show you kind of what it looks like now, and then I'll give you a glimpse of the playroom because I'm going to be doing a little bit of a clean up in here. So we can reset and they can do this all over again. Yay!
Wow. It is a lot.
Oh my gosh.
Believe it or not, I tidied up a little bit in here.
I think I tried telling you guys in another video, like if I come down here to do like a walk or anything with the kids around, they'll just be playing around me and they'll create a disaster. But not to mention, I won't blame this all on them because some of it is actually from upstairs too. We underwent this transformation up there where I basically try to send 98% of the toys down here. I wanted to be 100, but 98 for the current moment. And so when they came down, they just kind of didn't have a spot because I have to sit down and figure out what we're keeping and what's staying and what's going to the donation center. And yeah, it just has to be organized in my mind before it can just get put somewhere, because I don't want to put it somewhere and then it has to sit there for like 5 years and no one touches it. Let me give you guys a quick glimpse of what it's looking like now. So entryway out of the playroom. Yeah, this basket came down and as you can see, there's play kitchen stuff in here that belongs clearly in the playroom, but it's out here for whatever reason. This I just sent downstairs, gotta go through it. But yeah, this is the main area.
Is Abby doing laundry?
We got a random ball pit in the middle of the area. And this train table that our son just kind of destroyed and now hubby has to repair.
Yes, I have to repair it.
Yeah.
Bunch of Lego.
Can't these make it on a shelf real quick?
Yeah,
out of the way.
I was just collecting them. You know? Sir?
Yeah.
I was just collecting all the books that I found.
Nice.
Shots?
Yep.
So can I have one, please?
This is where we store the food, guys. We have food down here, plates in here, cups and stuff, and utensils. Guys, just when I thought we were done, we found more stuff. We still have so much work to do in here. I feel like I just need to declutter a lot of this and just get rid of some of it. Every time we're going through it, the kids are like, oh, we play with it. I'm like, really? Do you though? I don't know. So, this is where we're at. That's what that's looking like. This is what this is looking like. And in there. Need to go get something to eat.
Yeah. Make sure you.
Just go. Huh?
Is that a juice box?
Yeah, we're gonna go upstairs.
Hey, not upstairs.
So this is the final product, guys. Still have a little bit of cleaning to do. Still have some cleaning to do for sure. Yep, but that's what it's looking like. Definitely need some more cleaning, deep cleaning.
Zavi, you're going up the stairs.